I'm making peach cobbler, a recipe from my grandmother in the South. I'm peeling the peaches first. And then cut the peaches up into the bowl. These are peaches from South Carolina. It's not peach season yet in North Carolina, it's still strawberry season. For the delicious Southern peach cobbler recipe, I have 4 cups of sliced peaches in the bowl. I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar and stir this around. Mix the sugar in with the peaches. While this sits, I'm going to spray the pan with nonstick spray. I'm going to melt 2 sticks of butter in the oven. I'll stick this in the oven at 350 until the butter has melted. The butter has melted, so I'm going to stir in 2 cups of flour. And 2 cups of half and half. You can use milk. I don't have milk, so I'm using half and half. 2 cups of half and half. Stir this all together. And use a fork to get some of the clumps of flour out. Okay, there's still some clumps in there, but that's fine. We are going to add the peaches that have been soaking in sugar. Yum. Stir the peaches around. That looks good. Okay, I'm going to place this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. This cooked in the oven for 45 minutes at 350. Let's give this a try. Put a scoop of vanilla ice cream on. It's hot. Alright, let the ice cream melt into the peach cobbler. Give this a try. That's good.